What's up guys, it's me back with another video, and today I am taking a look at the Zippo Heatbank 9S and look at it and see what it's all about. Alright, so Zippo Heatbank 9S, let's unbox it and see what's inside. So we've got 9 hours of heat. That's a power bank, 5200 milliamp hours, not very big by today's standards. Gets up to 120 Fahrenheit or 50 Celsius. One or two sided heat output. So let's open and have a look. Pick this up at Costco. As of this video, this is going for $39.99. And there's Sunny to have a look at what we're doing. So it comes with a lanyard and a charge, which is mini USB. Micro USB, I can't remember which one. And there it is, there's the heat bank there. And size, Zippo logo. Let's see, there's the power button at the bottom. Got the power there at the bottom. There you go. Power it on, I'm assuming we just push this button. And there you go. We've got light. I'm guessing that's a charge indicator. So out of the box, there's some power. Oh, no, it's not a charge indicator, it's a level indicator. So that's max power. And yeah, I can feel it warming up. So I've got a little temperature thing here, and we're already at 33.5. Surface temp 34.5. 36.4, 36.7, 37.2. You can see how the temperature's climbing. Oh, there you go. 38.4, 38.5. So it's not really even. It's like towards the bottom here, it's cooler, but towards the top, it's warmer. Let's see the backside. So it seems to be the backside's like hotter in the middle. But yeah, it's getting warm. There you go. So seems to work fairly well. It's hand size, so it's nice. This will run up to 9 hours and charges via USB. It's also got the USB-A output, so you can charge your phone with it. So there's charging there. You can see it's blinking too, so it's about mid-charge. It just got plugged into a standard USB port. And so once it's fully charged, you'll get all three. So kind of dual purpose, I guess. We'll see how well it works out in the cold. One of these days it's getting cold out, so there you have it. Zippo Heatbank 9S. The hand warmer slash power battery bank, $39.99 at Costco, Canada. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. I'm not sponsored, so your subscriptions are valued.